Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, that mafia out there with none other than Father Dippo himself. Kachiatalai? Rich alai? Normal alai? You don't know what we are doing today. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Valiant. Yeah, man, and in there with a new track today, no gang, the one entitled Dweet. You see me, I say? Just like how we do here, and I do I do it and done. Yeah, man, the one named Dweet. Check it out and see what I do it. Now, assuming from the title, I know him talk about, yo, I think you'll be talking about like going for like your dreams, making things happen, do it and done. I think that's what I'm getting from the title, but I don't know, gang, we could be wrong, but we'll check it out, see what I go on, see what Valiant I deal with an idea to you. You see me, I say? It's been a minute, been about like 4 weeks since he dropped his last video. Last one was, I believe, was Regular Day, man, Pablo YG, dope track. If you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. Yeah, man, gang. So we're gonna check it out and see what I deal with today on the one, yeah. Yes, see me. So we're not going to the vibe much longer. We'll jump right in. This is a Valiant Dweet. Come on, gang, let's get it.
Game change every day, just get the paper.
Young General
Hey, Saint Elizabeth, Saint Mary, Mandeville.
Yeah.
YG.
Believe that have a big blow, Benz. Bro, this is in Armani Exchange, bro. This look like damn Sawgrass, nigga. Bro, I've been shopping them places, nigga. But welcome though, you know. Yeah.
Believe. YGI, your mobile.
Wait.
I could have take the bank search,
yes.
When I pull up, me down in my place.
Facts. Bombo clan. Could have TD that bank card chase. When I pull up, me down in my place. That's how I make it the track on IG, gang. Yeah, man.
The bank search, yes. When I pull up, me down in my place. I have to give respect to the game.
Hey.
And put respect on me. We are the first you to do it finally. Tell poverty was zero at the game.
Bomba. Yeah, man. See that I make the one up on IG, man, and I thought it was a vibe. Man, in friend them I got crazy now the vibes and come on.
Force you to do it finally. Tell poverty was zero at the game. I got you from that place. And the kids them a smile and my man. Thank God to me humble millions and make your heart from me humble. Do this.
What you mean? Thank God to me humble millions and make your heart from me grumble. Bomba, come in that mafia.
Thank God to me humble millions and make your heart from me grumble. Do this for my son so it's hard for me stumble. No time. Oh, where we got no, my dogs on the mall and I shop all boats.
Come on, no man. Yo, gang. Trust me, I haven't listened to it yet. I just know the pretty ending of songs and stuff, and I heard a little about when he was behind the scenes making of it. When he went on IG, so yeah, man, come on, guys.
And me, when I drive out, too much money there, same time we bless the 5 up. The mark exit, ship like all the 9 songs.
What? Hey, play code the 9 song. Now I'm to your boop in there, come here.
Me have a skull on a big charge, running a gift card. Do this from Flipkart, so me get rich dog.
You know?
PCH that man.
I have a gift card. Shout out to Pablo. Pablo. Shout out to Mali. Yeah.
This from Flipkart, so me get rich dog. Rich. PCH that man, mommy house bigger. Loose. I could have take the bank search, yes. When I pull up, me down in my place. Have to give respect to the game.
Yo, Dan Mafia, tell them. What them have to do, Dan Mafia? Them have to put respect power. Put respect on Dan Mafia.
Put respect on me. Force you to do it finally. Tell poverty was zero at the game. But you bring my I got you from another place. And the kids them a smile and my man.
Yes. Me thank God some millions of me, so it half me grumble. Come in, man, that mafia, so we're going to reach the top in a man. As me, I say 10,000, 100,000, million. Come.
Billions and billions and millions of vex.
Can't stop with.
And the acres of that I set. Used to bunk straight, no more one jet. Writing these checks, no more gun corporate. You know the vibes right. Yeah, that's the way I snide.
Talk to them. Boom, to them, man. Yo, big tune, Valiant. Yeah, man. Have fun. That one here, that one a shot, man. That one for yeah, man. That one I do. Come.
Get rich over the crime life. For the doing of the sky high. The bank side chess. When I pull up, me I done in other players. I have give respect to the game. And put respect on me.
Talk true, no man. I'm to you, man. Yeah, man, money, power, respect your name, you know, man. You can't forget the respect, you know, man. Come on. Yeah.
Tell poverty was zero again. But you bring my life, got you from another place. And the kids know me smile. Biggie, what we got, no. Fire got more.
Ooh, the boy and the name of Marcus, bro. You know what I'm saying? Being having like, hey, bro. Welcome.
Pull up, man, and I'm playing. Zero again. You step out, this coming get better. You go there, Hey, too much.
Outside, out in the Chicago, or San Francisco. That one look like city.
Rock. Oh, remember, man. Self-belief, one of the best belief.
I mean, man, believe no, man. Self-belief, one of the best believe. Facts, bro. And we gonna take you to that mafia. Just work with your boy. You feel me? I say, seeing this video right now, I want you to like this video, subscribe, give me some help, man. Share the video. Tell your friend, tell your family, tell your auntie, your uncle, your granny. That man, then come subscribe, bro. Believe ourselves. You see me? Self-believe, I best believe. Believe in myself. I believe in my channel. Believe in the Crow gang. Come on, let's take it. Come on, bro. Don't make them shame. I could shame bad mind than mafia, man. Come in, man. I could shame bad mind, bro. Yeah, man. I could shame bad mind and dirty heart, man. I could take it. Come in, man. 10K, 100K, and a million, bro. So we are do it. Come in, man. I could do it. We can't do it, you know. I can't do it now, too. Come in, man. No job. No job. And you can't do it, too. Make sure you say make every day count. Don't watch your people say. Big man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
If I king can shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Yeah, man. Something out there you want to do, something out there you like, something you love, go do that shit right now, bro. Don't watch what people say. You see me, everything might have to start as small, probably a little shaky. You see me, I say, probably like, you know what I'm saying, because you don't know what you're doing at the beginning, so it's gonna look like unprofessional. It's gonna look like an amateur. It's gonna look like a beginner. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see me, I say, yo, just do it. Don't watch what people have to say, just keep your head down, keep working, bro. You know what I'm saying? When I started my channel, bro, I had three subscribers, bro. Me, myself, and I, my nigga. You hear me? I subscribed to my own channel from 2 other accounts, nigga. You see me? Now look where I'm at. I got 3K. I still ain't nowhere. You feel me? I still ain't shit. You feel me? I'm still growing. Still got work to do, but I'm just saying I'm far from where I was. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually monetizing, getting a little bit of change from this. Before it was nothing. You know what I'm saying? I was just doing it for fun, and then you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, we can't take it to 10K, 100K, and a million, bro. You see me? They can't stop with that mafia. So if there's something out there you want to do, don't make nobody stop you. Go do that shit. You see me? The only regret you're gonna have is that he's not doing it. You feel me? The shoulda, I coulda, woulda, all that shit. Fuck that shit, man. Go do that shit, bro. I'm telling you, bro. When you think now shot, you see me? You think not big like that. You're just gonna be happy the fact that you're doing something that you like, something you wanna do. You feel me? Yeah, a lot of people can't say that they're doing something that they like and enjoy in life. Well, you can. So don't watch people. You see me? Yeah, don't be like me. Don't worry about your background and your like camera. All that stuff will come in time, man. So if there's something you want to do it right now. Make every day count, and I guarantee one day you'll get there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Don't believe in yourself. Self-believe, I best believe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. But let me know anything about the chat. Yeah, man. I remember, keep God in our life. I can't go wrong. But me know anything about the track, the gang. You see me? I say? That was a dope track from Valiant, man. You see me? And just like the title say, man, just do it. You see me? Don't watch people, just do it. You see me? Just start where you are, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna get better. Even if you're the worst person, just keep at it. You're gonna get better. Little by little. As long as you don't stop, you're gonna get what you need to do, man. But yeah, man, dope track from Valiant. The one that definitely go into the playlist. Dope ass track, inspirational. As me and say, it's inspirational, visuals, lyrics, melody, everything's there. It's a dope track, bro. It's a well put together song. Got a message behind it. He's not saying shit just to say shit. You see me? Got a little bit of the chopper in there. You see me? But at the end of the time, he's still saying amazing about do it, go for what you want. You see me? Never know where you can reach in a life, bro. You see me? Dog, they do it and now. My first to do it in a scheme. You see me? The youth, them kids, them a look up to him and a smile when they see him amazed. I say, yo, a Valiant, that with the dip on the black the other day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, gang. So that's, you don't know. Yeah, man, me there. You see me? I hope you are making every day count, man. Work towards your dream. Don't stop. You know what I'm saying? Don't stop. Keep going. You never know. The day you quit might be the day before your breakthrough. You know what I'm saying? So keep going, gang. Right now, you don't even know, but I got a little plaque on my wall. You know what I'm saying? This is something I look at some days when I do, you know, feel a little bit demotivated. You know what I'm saying? When I don't got motivation going, I got that passion going. You see me? I just look at it to give me a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, to keep staying on task. I got it says, follow your dreams. Great things take time. That's very important because I'll be forgetting that sometimes. You feel me? I'll be like, yo, man, this overnight. Then remember, yo, great things takes time. You feel me? And the other, as long as you're working and putting what you're supposed to do, you see me? Make every day count. You know what I'm saying? And then I also have, yo, when, you know, on the other side now, you know, when I feel a little bit of, you know, I feel a little bit of, you see me? It also says, think outside of the box. Excuses are for the weak, and hard work beats talent. You see me? I say. So yeah, man. If you work hard enough and keep at it and keep going, you can be the most talented person, bro. As long as you don't make excuses and try to think outside of the box sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Which is sometimes you have to resort. So how can I make this better? How can I improve? Or can I, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. But yeah, man, as long as you follow your dreams, okay. Make every day count, and remember that great things take time. Okay, then you will get where you need to be, man. And as long as you know that excuses are for the weak, think outside of the box, and hard work beats talent. You stay on track, stay the course, and trust me, I dream. See me, I say. At least that's the method I'm going with, gang. So when you reach a certain point, and be like, yo. How you get this? So just remember, say, yo, I didn't think they may look fun. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. But you don't know. Then with the blabbering, real dope chat, big up Valiant. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you like, go show that to some love and support, making us a Jambisco dance them. Gang. See you next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Me there I talk like no found now. See, no found in that make it to you in your ass video, you know. But if you make it to there, you big up your damn self. Just follow and you go achieve your dreams. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out. Blood clot DJ, come shut up selector boy.